Go on. Go on. Come on.
Blast my mask,
Go
I'm
on.
testing you
Go
back.
on. Come
Donuts and
Come
B12,
on.
rep
Come
You
on.
please leave yourself alone.
Come on. Here. Come on. Oh, fuck.
Oh, you mongrel.
Oh, sorry.
You shouldn't be choking the gecko in the first place. Remember what happened to that gig in
That's my
Hamburg?
dog.
That groupie loved it.
That wasn't a groupie, that was a roadie.
But she had great tits.
Man tits. They were man tits.
Goddamn.
Hey, what happened? Hey, what the sounds at?
I don't know, bruv. It all just went.
You fucking shite, you RP.
I can't be held responsible for dodgy gear, alright?
Come on, keep it together, man. You can't fuck with us, Flo.
Finally, I thought I'd never get through to you.
What the
What's
Torino,
this?
is that you?
What's happening here?
Torino?
Listen, you gotta pull one last string.
Hold up,
for me,
mate. Look,
okay?
hold up 1 second.
Communists at the gate, Carl.
I'm tired of this, Torino.
I'm outside. Let's take a ride.
Now I'm hearing things. Fuck me.
Hey, I gotta get out of here. You got this? Hey, dog, I gotta go hit a marketing meeting. I'ma catch you later.
Right, mine, there you go, sunshine.
My heart.
Yeah, sweet as. Come on, you having that, Macca? You having that?
I'ma die in the eye of the storm. That's my destiny.
Well, no invite to the housewarming, huh, kid?
I knew you'd come anyway.
Yeah, well, that's not important right now. I'll bring you up to speed on the way. Get in.
How long is this gonna take? I got my own shit to worry about.
Would you like to see your brother this week?
Yeah, what can I do?
You just gotta steal a military jet off an amphibious assault ship and use it to destroy a flotilla of spy ships. Nothing big.
Oh man, you shit.
When I shit you, Carl, there's a boat. All the gear you'll need is on board. I'll keep you briefed as you go.
I ain't coming back from this one, am I?
Yes, you are. Don't be ridiculous. Here, take this earpiece. Trust me, do as I say. You'll be home for a blowjob and a bologna sandwich. Okay, Carl. The ship is moored in the Easter Basin Naval Base. in the back without being seen. Once you're on the inside, I cannot help you.
Well, can you help me now?
Well, no. Actually, no.
Man, I'm losing my mind. Gotta have
Jump in the river and in here I go. Bad alligator just swim too slow. Hey, Louisiana.
hypothesis just because it's yours. My hypothesis is correct, and you're my.
I'm your bitch, huh? Constitutional right, bitch. Get up, huh?
You see what I tell you with a snap?
Stolen aircraft, prepare to be vaporized.
Did you hear that?
Right, that's a bunch of bullshit. Ignore them. They shooting you with an international incident. You're not a British tank. You should be fine.
For real?
Yeah, well, probably. Now make your way to the flotilla and sink the fuckers.
No longer. At Executive Intruder Extermination Service, we'll ensure that you'll live in a fortress and live your life worry-free.
With my vindictive and backstabbing personality, I always knew I'd be successful. But there's a price to pay. Money gives me freedom. Freedom to be scared of things that normal people don't have to worry about. When it comes to people trying to get a buck off me or come knocking, I turn to outside help.
Your home will be surrounded by only the best security equipment. Razor wire, governments, landmines, night vision, and motion sensors. And if a stranger or unwanted relative should make it inside, all of your doors will be wired with bombs.
But what about when my children need to go to school?
Your children will be equipped with defenses, and if they attend public school, stun guns, and mace. When you're successful, nobody wants to be bothered.
I'll slaughter anyone who even thinks of harming my family with Executive Intruder Extermination Service. They do it for me.
Call today for a free home demonstration. The world is a dangerous place. For you, it doesn't have to be.
you, Torino! I never want to go through this again! I think I'm a Earl!
Oh, what a big wine. You want them cheese in that wine? Hey, you were spectacular. You know what? I'm beginning to think my little Carl's a double agent.
Shut up, Torino! Where you want this thing?
What thing? I don't know what you're talking about. You stole it. Got nothing to do with me. I don't know what you're talking about. See you around.
Torino! Torino! Shit!
I'm married to all my brothers.
Warm it up, Kane. Warm it up, CJ. Warm it up, Kane.